Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a virgin coconut oil at home. Stay tuned, let's get right to the video. For this tutorial I'm going to be using two mashed coconuts. Gently break the coconut because we need to extract the water, but if you don't want, you can just break it anyhow you want. I'm going to extract the water because yeah, it's very good for the body. Go ahead, extract it, and take a sip. It refreshes the body. The next thing I'm going to do is to peel off the coconut back. I know you want to get a neat coconut oil, so go ahead and wash it, especially if you want to make use of the coconut milk or the coconut oil for cooking or consuming. It needs to be very clean. Now I'm going to be cutting this into smaller pieces before blending. Once you're done cutting, go ahead and put it in a blender to blend properly. When blending the coconuts, we are going to be needing water, so I'm going to add water to make it blend properly. For this blending, I'm blending the coconut into two portions. I separated the coconut into two portions because I don't want it to be too heavy to blend, so separate it to get a good result. Okay, now that I'm done blending, I'm going to sieve out the coconut oil. I'm sieving this as much as I can to get enough coconut milk. Alright, this is the quantity of coconut milk I was able to produce, and this how it looks like. It looks amazing. And also this is the coconut shelf. I don't know what this is used for, but I believe this could be helpful, so I'm going to set this aside for another purpose. Now this is coconut milk, I've wrapped it and I'm going to set this aside for some hours to curdle up. After some hours, this is how it looks like. I'm going to be putting this in the freezer and allow it to stay for some hours because I want the cultured coconut milk to freeze up a little bit. After some hours, this is how it looks like. Guys, I was so impatient with this. You can allow yours to stay longer than mine. And I'm going to remove the cultured coconut milk. I'm going to be scooping the cultured coconut milk out. So guys, one amazing thing I found out about this cultured coconut milk is that it tastes like yogurt. So I wouldn't mind. I'm going to be using this coconut milk to cook coconut rice. Yeah, it's very good. It tastes great. So if you want, you can use it for another purpose. I'm going to set this coconut milk aside, the cultured coconut milk aside. And now this how this looks like. I'm going to wrap this up. You can decide to do a cold pressed coconut oil with this. In one of my next video, I'm going to be showing you what you can do with this wrapped up cultured coconut milk. In this video, I'm going to be frying this. I'm going to fry this till I extract all the coconut oil and the coconut milk turns brown. This is the coconut oil and I'm going to be sieving this out to get all the coconut oil. If you want to use the coconut oil for cooking, I advise you get a clean sieve to get a neat coconut oil. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and if you're yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel to be part of this family. See you in my next video.